Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to fix sound problems on Oppo phones. So the first thing that you can do, you can press on the volume up or down in your phone like this. And after that, click on the three dots. I will show you again. Click on the three dots in that floating notification and be sure that the media volume is not muted like this. So normally this is the first method. The second method is to enter to settings, and on settings scroll down a little bit until you find sound and vibration. Click on it, and also be sure, even if your phone is on silent mode, that the media is not silenced like this. Try to be sure that there is always sound on it, and also try to check that the other options, there is no option to mute your phone. Even like I told you, even if it's on the silent mode, you should always put the media sound on. And the last thing that you should try to do is to go to the about device and check if there is any update to your phone. If there is something, you will find it here. You just need to click on Color OS and your phone will check for updates, because sometimes there is some errors in the Oppo phone system, the Color OS, or any other phone system. So if there is an error or a bug, they will try to make it work in the next update. So I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.